In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your site's navigation menus in HubSpot. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your HubSpot account and navigating to the settings area. Look for the gear icon in the top navigation bar. Click it. Then in the left sidebar, go to Content and select Navigation Menus. This is the central place where you manage every menu on your site. So take a moment to confirm you are in the right account and on the correct website or domain before making changes. To create a new menu, open the drop-down at the top and choose Add New. Give your menu a clear descriptive name so you can easily identify it later, especially if you manage multiple menus for different parts of a site or for different languages. A good naming convention saves time and avoids accidental edits. Adding items to the menu is straightforward. Click Add Menu Item and type the menu label, which is the text visitors will see in the navigation. For the destination, you can select an internal HubSpot page. Enter a full external URL using the complete HTTPS or HTTPS format, or choose No Link if you want the item to act as a parent for a dropdown. For external links, always include the protocol so links resolve correctly. If a link should open in a separate browser tab, toggle the option to open in a new window. To create dropdowns or nested menus, hover over a top-level item, click Actions, and select Add Child Item below. Create the submenu link in the same way you created top-level items, choosing either an internal page, an external URL, or a no-link parent. This nesting keeps your navigation organized and allows users to find related pages quickly. Arranging the menu is drag and drop. Click and drag items to reorder them or to position child items under their parent. Test the structure as you go to ensure it behaves as expected. For the visual look, rely on your theme settings for basic styling or apply custom code if you need a specific appearance. HubSpot supports CSS and HubL for advanced customizations, which is useful for adding icons, adjusting spacing, or creating unique layouts. When everything looks right, click Publish to make your changes live across the site. After publishing, verify the menu on different devices and browsers to ensure responsive behavior and accessibility. With these steps, your navigation will be clear, usable, and easy to maintain,